The toilet is forgiveness. The toilet is what? Forgiveness. Rest is the toilet. That's why I say, where is the restroom? Toilet means what? Toilet. Let your toil for the day pass away. Am I communicating with you? That's the meaning of toilet. Allow the toys of the day, those garbages, the one that are not working, allow them to go. That's the meaning of toilet. So there are people who have not defecated for 3 years spiritually because there is somebody they have not forgiven. They are still what? Piling up that anger and malice. They have never forgiven them until they go to toilet. That's why we said New Jerusalem is written there, the city of love and forgiveness. Have you stayed close to someone who have not defecated for like 3 days or 4 days physically and he mess? That is how it is when anger is boiling in your heart. Boiling in your heart. And somebody says, you want to kill mosquito, but you turn that killing mosquito to a slap. He said, what? He said, I wanted to kill a mosquito. And so what? Is that why? Anger, the action of that person is as deadly and dirty and smelly as that person who have not gone to physical toilet for years. Unforgiveness. There are so many people. Your grandma, your stepmom told you can never make it. You are still here hearing the word of God, but you still retain it in your heart. Fear grips you. Go to a toilet and let the toil. Glory be to God. So God built toilets for humanity, and that toilet is forgiveness, so that you wipe away your past. Forgive yourself, forgive other people. Don't allow your negative past to haunt you. Don't allow your negative past to haunt you. You have been forgiven, you have been forgiven. Let the toil go by. Go to toilets.